flowers, ooh, flowers, flowers. The glamorous, 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 the glamorous, ooh, flowers, flowers.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Because of Me, and if you are new here then please subscribe. It will make me happy as always. So it's Valentine's month and Valentine's Day is coming. I know so many of you must be planning that okay, we need to do this, we need to do that. One of the most important thing for girls is to dress up nicely and go out on a date. It's not necessary that you need a boyfriend to go out and celebrate Valentine's Day. You can even go out with your family, your friends. Like this year I'll be going out with my mom on a good lunch date to celebrate my Valentine's. So let me start with this look which I created for Valentine's Day, and I chose the major color pink because there is so much of red happening outside on Valentine's Day. Like you will get red roses, red heart balloons and so many things like that. So I wanted to stand out from the crowd, so used this hot pink as the theme of this makeup. Let's quickly get started and let me show you that how to create this look. I have prepped my skin well, and the first thing I do is eye makeup, you all know. So for this I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in shade Cream Beige. For creating a base, this is my holy grail concealer. I use this for so many things. Then with my Sigma E25 brush, I'm going to take loose powder. This is RCMA no color powder, and seal my base, my eye base, so that it doesn't budge or move. Now with my Vizia Dark Mattes palette, I'm going to take this shade, this is like a light brown shade, and put it in my crease and then build it up a little. I'm again using my Sigma E25 mini brush, and then with my diffuser brush from BH Cosmetics, I will blend it all. Next I'll take slightly deeper brown shade and blend it more in my crease so that there is definition. Now this is my favorite customized palette which one of my friend who is a manufacturer made for me specially. I love this palette and so pigmented. So I'm going to take this hot pink color and see the pigment and put it all over my lid with my finger. Now these are finger shadows because they're so creamy, and then I'll blend out everything nicely upwards. Then I'm going to take the black eyeshadow by MAC, this is MAC Carbon, and on a flat brush and just place it on corner of my lids. And after doing this, I blend it with a blender brush inwards and slightly outwards. Now I'll take my Morphe 35F palette. This is so pretty. I just love this palette. I'm going to take these light to shimmery shades on my finger. Again, they work best with fingers, so I use my fingers, and place it in the inner corner, and then with a blending brush I'll blend everything nicely. Now it's time for liner. I'm using my Krylon liner in shade Ebony. This is the darkest of black, and then create a slight wing. Wing liner is my weakness. So after doing this, my next step will be putting on Kiko liner. This is the dual liner in shade cream and little bit of purple. I'll take this cream shade and put it on my waterline so that my eyes pop and look brighter. Now I'll go and put on some lashes. Oh my god, look at the difference it brings to your eyes. Time for the base makeup. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in shade Cream Beige. This is amazing. I have fallen in love with this. I will apply this with my Sigma 3D Kabuki brush and spread it, blend it nicely on my skin. After this, my next step will be contour. For this, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me stick in the darkest shade, which is Toffee. This was the only darkest one available online. So I slowly contour around my face and then also highlight for highlighting and concealing at the same time. I'm using my concealer LA Girl and then blend everything nicely into skin with Beauty Blender. Beauty Blender works so well in blending, not in application but in blending. It is superb. I'll nicely bake everything so that nothing creases. Next, I'm going to take the powder shade, the powder contour shade from my Makeup Revolution palette and fix the contour in place. Now it's time for blush. I'm using my Morphe 35B blush palette and taking this soft coral colors and placing on my cheek. Coral colors are my weakness again, and then taking waterproof lip liner in shade Raspberry by BH Cosmetics for my lip. I'll be using this as my lipstick because this color is so beautiful. Unfortunately, there was no lipstick in this color from BH Cosmetics and I couldn't find the closest match as well, but this is just perfect. It works very nice for lipstick. I'll go and pop on some highlighter and come back.
Champagne, caviar, you deserve nothing but all the finest things. Now this whole world has no clue.
So that's it for this look. I hope you guys really like this makeup. Make your boyfriend, make your husband jaw drop with this makeup look. I hope you all have a very happy not happy, a very loving Valentine's Day. Let me also go and check out for a good place for lunch to take my Valentine, my mom, out, and let me know that how this looks goes out on you in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye, take care. I'll see you soon in my next video.